Hey, what's going on, guys? I can't believe I haven't made this video for you guys. Maybe I just thought everyone knew how to do this, but I've seen some videos on YouTube about people talking about it, so it's very important that you guys understand how to set up your pixel correctly, especially if you're using Facebook ads. If you're using TikTok ads, you don't even need a pixel. That is why I don't run TikTok ads. The fact that you don't need a pixel with TikTok should tell you how bad TikTok ads really are. Okay, enough of me ranting about TikTok ads. Let me show you how to set up your pixel. So I actually prefer that you guys, and I tell all my students to do this, and it's to use Omega Facebook Pixel. I think it's like $8 a month or something, and it is so easy to set up. I'll show you guys real quick how to add a pixel. So firstly, you want to go to your Facebook Business Manager. And by the way, it's not called pixels anymore. As you can see right here, I can't even add a pixel. You have to go to Datasets. I have no idea why, but Facebook renamed their pixels to Datasets. So when you add a pixel, you're actually adding a dataset. As you can see, all my datasets are right here. And all you want to do is just press add, and you're going to create a new dataset. I always name the dataset the name of my store or brand. And then you're going to press create. Now, once you press create, you're going to have a pixel ID or a data set ID. Simply copy that, add pixel, and then add your name. Name it the same thing you did before. Paste your pixel ID. And then, very important, guys, hope you guys are still watching. You want to click Conversions API, and you want to put in your Facebook token to unlock your Conversions API. How do you do this? Press open in Events Manager on the pixel that you just made or dataset that you just made. And once this opens up, just go over to settings right here. And you want to scroll down until you see right here, generate access token. Sometimes it takes a second to load, but right here, you want to copy this code, go back to Omega Pixel, and you just want to paste your Facebook token right here. I actually can't right here because I haven't upgraded my Omega because I've already used the amount of pixels or datasets they allow me to use. But you want to just paste that right there and then press save. And after you do that, just make sure that Omega is turned on in your theme, and you want to make sure right here Omega is turned on. And if you guys are worried that you didn't set up your pixel correctly, instead of messaging me on Instagram and asking me, just download Meta Pixel Helper or add it to your Chrome extensions. It's free. And then just go to your website, turn it on, and it'll tell you if your pixel is firing. And if it is, then you set everything up correctly and you're all good to go. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope it helps, and if you have any questions or if I didn't explain things clear enough, comment down below and I'll respond and explain or help you out. That's it guys. Alright,